This is our 1992 Mercedes 400E W124. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. Then there'll be some clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So this is a 103,000 mile car. Pretty well documented history. Sold new in Roseland, New York, which is around Long Island. It remained there through 1997 and 11,000 miles before actually moving to Switzerland, where it was for the early 2000s. An American gentleman traveling in Switzerland bought it in 2006 and then brought it back home to Chicago. So we purchased it from that owner. The mileage is correct. It does come with all of the import documents from 2006, which is pretty cool to see. From a cosmetic perspective, the car is fairly tired. The Nautical blue paint, while a really cool color, on the deck lid, the roof, and the hood, it's a bit faded. The car would really benefit from a wet sand, but it's a fairly low priority for us. It's been our kind of runaround driver, errand runner at the shop. The car runs and drives extremely well. Really, really fun car to drive. Just the perfect size small sedan. Aside from its big brother, the 500E, this was the only W124 to get a V8. So, great driver, a little bit tired cosmetics. Panel fitment spot on, doors all open and close, really nice and smooth. Then you can see the fade there on the hood. There's a chip in the windshield, but all the other light lenses are clear and crack free. Here are the blemishes. You can see little scuffs on the front bumper. Looks like it might have been buffed thin on the hood there, passenger side. Fairly ugly. And then just some fogginess. Again, this would look a lot better if it were buffed. You can see it on the roof as well. Sunroof is functional. But car was garage kept though. Weather stripping's all very good. We know the previous owner pretty well. I've brought a handful of cars from him. So you can see there's a lot of little scratches. There's a scuff there. Driver rear door lower trim. And that continues on over the wheel well. A bunch of scratches on that rear quarter. Still the badge on the trunk from the original selling dealer in New York. And then right here you can see there's actually, from where the dealer in Switzerland had a sticker on the car. You can still see the outline there. So a bunch of chips and scratches, a little bit tired cosmetics, great driver. Door panels are nice, no kicked open markings. That's just the wiper fluid light on the dash. No warning lights. Dash top is really nice. Air conditioning is R134. It was serviced in 2012, but no longer blows cold. You can see a couple little hairline cracks there on the wood. Heat and fan are functional. All the gauges are functional, including the odometer. Car does have the heavy-duty Mercedes floor mats, though the beige carpet underneath is in really nice shape. You see the sills kind of worn there on the driver's side. Passenger is better. Seats are excellent. There's a puncture on the driver's outer bolster, but the seats aren't blown out. They're nice and firm and supportive. Really, really comfortable. Car was optioned with the mushroom leather. Passenger side a little bit nicer than driver. onto the rear. A bit of wear. Some scratches on the seat bottom. No punctures. The headliner is clean and tight. Functional sunroof.